Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Opera GX default browser Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Setting Opera GX as the default browser in Windows 11 can be done through the system settings, and here's how you can make Opera GX your default browser. So the first step would be open Windows Settings. In the Windows Settings, choose Apps, click on Default Apps, then scroll down, choose Opera GX from the list of available browsers, then click on Set Default. After completing either of these methods, Opera GX should be default browser on Windows 11. When you click on links or open HTML files, they will open in Opera GX by default. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.